Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back students. Open your book at page number 22. Dear students, in the previous lecture we have discussed the half portion of the chapter A Boy and a Tree. Today we are going to discuss the remaining portion of this chapter. Let's start. One hot summer day the man returned and the tree was delighted. One hot day what happened? The man returned again to the tree. The tree was very delighted and happy to see the man again. Come and play with me, the tree said. The tree said to the man, come and play with me for some time. I am getting old. I want to go sailing to relax myself. Can you give me a boat? Said the man. The man said to the tree, I am getting old now. I want to sailing to relax myself. I want to relax myself on the sailing boat. Can you give me a boat? The man said to the tree, can you give me a boat? Use my trunk to build your boat. You can sail far away and be happy. The tree said to the man, you can use my trunk to build your boat and then you can sail far away from this place and be happy. So the man cut the tree trunk to make a boat. He went sailing and never showed up for a long time. The man cut the tree trunk and make a boat. The man make a boat by cutting the trunk of the tree. And then he went sailing and never showed up for a long time. He never came back for a long time. Finally, the man returned after many years. Sorry, my boy, but I do not have anything for you anymore. No more apples for you, the tree said. No problem, I do not have any teeth to bite, the man replied. Finally, after many years, the man returned again, and he said to the tree said to the man at that time, sorry, my boy, but I do not have anything for you anymore. I do not have anything for you. No more apples for you. I have no apples for you. No problem. I do not have any teeth to bite, the man replied. The man replied to the tree, no problem. I do not have any teeth to bite these apples. No more trunk for you to climb on, said the tree. I am too old for that now, the man said. The tree said to the man, I have no trunk for you to climb on. The man said to the tree, no problem, I am too old for that now. I am not be able to climb on the tree top. I really cannot give you anything. The only thing left is my dying roots. The tree said to the boy, I really cannot give you anything more. The only thing that was left with me that was that is my dying roots. The tree said with tears. The tree said with tears that the only thing that is my dying roots with me. I do not need much now, just a place to rest. I am tired after all these years, the man replied. The man replied and said, I do not need much now, just a place to rest. I need a place where I rest for some time. I am tired after all these years. Good. Old tree roots are the best place to lean on and rest. Come sit down with me and rest. The man sat down and the tree was glad and smiled with tears. The tree said to the man, good, the old trees are the best place where you can lean on and rest for some time. Come sit down with me and rest. The tree said to the man, come and sit with me. Come sit with me and rest for some time under my roots. The man sat down and the tree was glad and smiled with tears. The tree was very happy and glad to see the man who was sitting under the roots. This is the story of everyone. The tree is like our parents. This is the story of everyone. The tree is like our parents. The tree is exactly like our parents. Our parents give us everything. They fulfill our needs. They take care of us when we are too young. They provide us food, shelter, exactly like the tree provide the boy. Tree gave the boys to apples. The boy sell these apples and buy toys for him. The tree offered the boy that he cut all the branches of the tree and make a house for his family. Just like our parents give us shelter, food, money, and all these things. When we were young, we loved to play with our mom and dad. When we were too young, we loved to play with our parents, mom and dad. When we grow up, we leave them. When we grow up, we leave our parents and only come to him when we need something or when we are in trouble. Only we come back only when we need something or when we are in trouble. When we need money or other things, we come back to our parents, or when we are in trouble. No matter what, parents will always be there and give everything they could just to make our happy. No matter what situation is, parents will always be there and everything they could just to make you happy. They provide us everything that just to make our life happy. You may think the boy is cruel to the tree. When we read the story, you think that the boy is cruel, but that is how all of us treat our parents. That is how we all treat our parents, exactly like the boy treated with the tree. We take them for granted. We take them for granted. We don't appreciate all they do for us. Even we do not appreciate all they do for us until it's too late. Until it's too late. Dear students, read this chapter 3 or 4 times in order to understand it. In the next lecture, we will discuss questions and answers from the exercise. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.